What if I told you by changing one number in a URL that can give you someone else's account? Yeah, that's right. That's the bug. Today we are talking about IDOR, Insecure Data Object Reference. It's basically the website that is trusting you too much. And there are two types of IDOR. One is horizontal IDOR, another one is vertical IDOR. One lets you to read your neighbor's diary, another one lets you to become direct principal. Let's break down both. Horizontal IDOR is when you can access the other's user's data at the same privilege level. You are not admin, you are not special, but you just changed the number. And the wildest and scary part of this horizontal is, and you can check that who is logged in, who can have the access, you can change the password of that account. Developers are building the authentication systems, but they are forgetting to check the conditions of that website. Now, the vertical IDOR, that's the spicy part. This is the one you access something that is above your privilege level. That is admin. You are just like a normal user, and the server is thought that you are the admin. You are just a regular user, and you find the endpoint of admin, and server doesn't even authenticate that you are the regular user or admin user. It's like being an intern and having the access to the CEO's account of a organization. That's a vertical IDOR. If the server doesn't verify you as an admin before running the admin action, and you just got a IDOR, vertical IDOR, and it's a worth of $5,000, and the impact: deleting the accounts, changing the password of an people, and changing the privilege of an others data. This is a very critical severity vulnerability, and this pays you at least $5,000. This is the one that makes developers having bad Monday morning. Both are real bugs, both are paid, but the vertical hits different one. Okay, how do you actually find this? Let's go to the screen and explore these all things. Capture the request in a Burp Suite. Okay, look for any my account ID or the reference ID in the URL bar, and by changing just the name, you can log in. See, you just seen that this is changed to the Carlos, winner to the Carlos account. Like this, you can do like these stuffs. For an vertical IDOR, you just have to look at the HTTP headers by intercepting the request. In this HTTP request, you are trying to hit the admin only endpoint by the regular user. As you can see here, I have got the admin access. The vertical IDOR, which gives you all the privileges to delete, create, and promote yourself. So to summarize these all, horizontal is the same level but wrong persons, and vertical IDOR is wrong person, wrong privilege. Both are super common, both are commonly found in all the programs by just testing the what happens when you change the value. In the next videos, we are going to talk about what are the scopes, how the scopes actually works, and what are the out of scope things and all. For that, you have to just subscribe to the channel, like the videos. If you are a beginner, still want to learn bug bounty, do check out with this video.